Multi-channel data encryption transmission algorithm of medical International of Things based on improved mqtt protocol. Zhang, Dalian University of Science and Technology. Directory 1. Introduction 2. Secret analysis of International Things 3. Multi-channel data encryption transmission algorithm in International of Things 4. Experiment and result analysis 5. Conclusion 1. Introduction. Abstract. Since the concept of the International of Things was put forward, it has attracted the attention of all countries in the world and has become a technology developed by all countries and organizations in the world. With the development of International of Things technology and application, information sharing is realized between things on the International of the Things. So the safe transmission of data becomes particularly important. The mainstream mqtt message queuing telemetry transport protocol has observed advances in the application of International of Things network communication, but the protocol has a very big defect. Its data transmission default is not encrypted and able to guarantee the security of data. To save this problem, this paper analyzes the security of the International of the Things, improves the mqtt protocol, and obtains a new multi-channel data encryption transmission algorithm of the International of Things. Introduction. The goal of the International of Things is to realize the information sharing between things and data transmission as the core technology to realize the communication between things naturally become the researched hotspot of the International of Things technology as a key element in the process of data transmission. Data transmission protocol has been concerned by researchers from all walks of life in the development of Internet of Things technology. With the continuous development of the research work of Internet of Things in recent years, the big companies in the IT industry and related research institutions have developed network communication protocol suitable for the Internet of Things environment. Among them, mqtt protocol has obvious advantages in the application of Internet of Things network communication. It applies the application situation of Internet of Things equipment, resource and unstable network environment, which make it low cost, high reliability and can effectively reduce the power consumption of terminal devices at present. The application research of mqtt protocol at home and abroad mainly focus on the managed transmission of Internet of Things. But mqtt protocol has a very big defect. Its state transmission is not encrypted by default, and the data secret cannot be guaranteed. Therefore, based on the improved mqtt protocol, a new encryption algorithm is proposed for the multi-channel data of the medical Internet of Things, so as to realize the data security transmission of the Internet of Things. 2. Secret analogies of Internet of Things. In recent years, the Internet of Things has made a breakthrough, and many applications based on the Internet of Things have gradually emerged, bringing convenience to people's lives. At the same time, the secret problem of the Internet of Things are greatly highlighted. Whether the secret problem of the Internet of Things can be effectively solved is directly related to whether the Internet of Things can be applied on a large skill. This paper first introduces the hierarchical model of the International of Things, and then analyzes the security problem of the International Things and the security mechanism that can be used. Overview of the International Things standard puts forward the reference model of the International Things from bottom to top. It can be divided into 4 layers, namely perception layer, network layer, server layer, service layer, application support layer, and application layer. Each layer has corresponding security and management function. The reference model of International of Things shown in Figure 1. Now, reference model of the International of Things. Device layer, equipment function, gateway function, network layer, internet function, transmission function, service and application support layer, general support function, special manager function, application layer, IoT function, left message function, special management function, command management function. Secret function, special function, general safety function. According to Figure 1, we can say the safety problem analysis and security mechanism of each layer of the Internet of the Internet of Things. The main function of the propagation layer is to realize comprehensive perception through the sensor and gather the collected data through the access gateway. At the same time, it can also receive the introduction from the control end to control the goods. Because the sense node is usually in an unsupervised, open and compliant environment, the single function and limited parsing complexity of the mode made it impossible to take comply security message and the function connect by the node is transmitted through the wireless network. Therefore, nodes are vulnerable to physical damage, impersonation, attack, and denial of service. Attacked and sharing information is easy to be eavesdropped, tampered, and replayed in the process of transmission. The above problem can be solved by cryptographic technology, high-speed cryptographic chip (PKI), public key infrastructure information master secret management platform, and other security technologies. But it's different to find a lightweight, secure, and generous security management mechanism. The network layer mainly relies the good information transmission and transmission management, in addition to the secret problems of the exciting communication network. The network layer also has its particularly